Hey guys, at skate park today with the squad! Getting ready for some stunts.
Remember, these are professionals. Do not try this at home. We've had a good go.
Run it like Marvin!
Person. Hi guys, today we're here at the park. Marissa's and Skillage, here we are having fun.
Household.
Here we are trying to adventure, but these guys can't get a fucking bike up the hill.
Got a drink. How much?
We are doing some meditation in the park. Here we are with Isabella doing her meditation in the park.
Her meditation in the park.
Maria just fell in the fucking bed!
It was at this moment in time Maria knew she fucked up.
Right, I just fell in this bush because I'm a bit thorny. Here we are, stranded in the thorns and mouse holes. And you can see Isabella in the distance climbing and separating from us. And here we are, don't worry, I fell in and now I've got thorns over me and I'm bleeding. Goodbye. I just fell in the bush. Hi guys. So walking up here, Maria fucking fucked over, didn't she? Isabella fucking fucked us up the fucking wrong way. You know, I fucking had to go fucking...